I want to start out this video by saying that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and my mother had passed away 12 years ago, and she did have breast cancer when she passed, so it's near and dear to my heart. What we are doing is we're creating a specific code for our shop, and it is donate5. Basically, use that code at shop.TheSalonGuy.com. You'll be getting a 5% discount, and then we're going to be matching 5% of that to donate to the Susan G. Komen Foundation, which is a great foundation, and we're going to be doing that for the entire month of October. So we'd appreciate all your support. Again, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. Thank you, and let's get started today's video. Is this the hottest new hair trend? This is what I'm calling the sweeping flip. Now, we've all seen the traditional flip on the TikTok, which is still a very, very popular haircut. But when I was doing some experimenting on this mannequin by changing up the style, using some products, I said, wait a minute, this looks so cool. And what's unique about this haircut and this hairstyle is, yes, let's get up close here. It's kind of the traditional flip up that you see like with TikTok and all that stuff. But what's great about it is that it's sweeping over. And I said, hey, wait, this looks really, 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 really cool. So as you can see, the direction is going over this way. Now, obviously, you can go either this direction or that direction. It really depends on you. But I said, oh my gosh, this looks amazing. So how do you go about achieving this type of hairstyle? Well, one, you want to use tidal wave when the hair is wet. Then as you're blow drying it, you're going to be using the 2-inch or the TikToker round brush, which is my own brush with ionic and ceramic technology. A lot went into making this brush, so this is officially my brush here. You want to blow dry it back, right, and forward like we've seen in many, many of my tutorials on TikTok. But then you can also bring the brush over this way, all right, where you're turning it and directing it in that area. And then what you want to do is finish it off with the new upgraded locked hairspray, which provides a medium hold, a matte finish, and it's literally an incredible hairspray. Organic ingredients in it. We've made a big update to the locked hairspray. So this is it right here. And what's great about this is once it's in place, it should hold up if you've got the right haircut, obviously. But watch this. This is what made this really unique, is if throughout the day, it may be falling flat or something, you've got the hairspray in, you brush the hair back like this, and then watch. You bring it over and you see how I've directed all of this over this way. So it's back and around, okay? And you're gonna get that kind of sweep, that flipped up sweeping motion where it's not just flat on the face, right? But it has more of like the layered flow. And I said to myself, you know what? I think this may be one of the hottest new hair trends. I know I've seen some people have it on TikTok, but like, let's make this an official hair trend. So the sweeping flip. And I'd love to know if you all are going to be trying it. Again, you can get the TikToker hairstyle kit, which comes with tidal wave, these products in through here. You can get these products individually on their own. It's really up to you. And if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States on orders of over a $50 value. Another thing, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we are donating 5% if you use code donate5. We're donating 5% of that sale to the Susan G. Komen Foundation for Breast Cancer Awareness Month in October. That's very, very meaningful too, but really it's up to you. But let me know if you like this hair trend, and I'd love to know, and make sure you check out these products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.